What's up guys? All good? My name is Nora. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the SeroBurn before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the SeroBurn works. What is SeroBurn? SeroBurn is a cutting-edge weight loss supplement designed to help you shed unwanted pounds while boosting your energy levels and mood. Its unique formula combines powerful ingredients that work together to accelerate fat burning, reduce cravings, and support overall metabolic health. Whether you're looking to lose a few pounds or make a more significant transformation, SeroBurn is crafted to assist you in reaching your goals safely and effectively. How does SeroBurn work? SeroBurn works by targeting multiple aspects of weight loss. It boosts your metabolism, enabling your body to burn fat more efficiently, even while at rest. At the same time, it helps control your appetite, reducing cravings and the temptation to overeat. The supplement also enhances your energy levels, ensuring you stay active and focused throughout the day. Another key benefit is its ability to improve your mood by balancing serotonin levels, making weight loss a more positive and sustainable experience. Key benefits of SeroBurn: accelerates fat burning, helps your body break down fat more quickly, promoting faster weight loss. Controls appetite, reduces cravings and supports better portion control. Boosts energy, keeps you energized and motivated, helping you maintain an active lifestyle. Improves mood, balances serotonin levels to reduce stress and emotional eating. Where can I find SeroBurn? SeroBurn is available exclusively on the official website. Purchasing through the official site ensures you receive the authentic product and can take advantage of current promotions and discounts. The link to the official website is provided in the description below, where you can secure your bottle and start your weight loss journey with confidence.